Hello everybody. Guess what I got at Five Below today? Now, before I review you, Chromie.
Hey everybody, I'm Chromie.
And here we have Dipsy from the Teletubbies. Uh-oh, I'm Dipsy. Alright.
Alright everybody, we got the new friends here for the Elinor Friends character.
Yep, and I found this United Kingdom character called Dipsy, which is from the Teletubbies. I found it at Five Below to find some exclusive UK characters. This is from the CBB series, even though it's from Canada, which is DHX Media. It used to be aired on CBBS, which is located in United Kingdom. Here we have Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, and Poe. They only have Dipsy at Five Below, which I saw it. And I got this at GameStop, which is today. And for Dipsy, Five Below, along with these two, which is the world's smallest Barney plush doll, and the world's smallest camera, which is from Polaroid. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce it right. It's kind of nice. We're gonna start with the camera first before we open the Barney. Alright, the Barney will be for the next video.
Okay.
And both of you'll be next.
Yep, I can't wait to hear that.
Ready? 3, 4, and Elinor?
Yes.
Alright, let's start with the camera before we review the Hello Kitty character, which is Chromie. Alright, ready, Chromie?
Yeah.
Alright, today review to unbox is the Polaroid camera, as you can see here. And then the next video we'll do the Barney doll plush, the mini Barney doll plush. Sorry you cannot see the eyes, but I might have to do like this instead. We are a happy family and super duper and stupendous. Alright, we're gonna start with the camera, and then we'll do the Barney. Alright, let's open the camera. Also, it has sounds. Let's see if they have any batteries. I'm not sure if they include it. And yes, I have to turn off the TV due to copyright reasons. This is so rare. I never had world's smallest, but I heard of it in some videos, but different objects, mini objects. Sorry everybody, I'm trying to open. Also today everybody, when I was at Five Below to get a soda for the FIFA Cup edition, unfortunately I have the same sticker. I'm not sure if it was the same, but which is Gabriel again, which I got it in the Ferris Avenue Market. I'm not sure if it was Gabriel, but we might have to check since I have 6. I have six stickers now. It's so hard to open this. I'm gonna stop the camera. So at the back of the toy says, does not take real photographs since this is not a real camera. It's like a toy camera. This is located in Brewster, Pennsylvania, which is the headquarters. Alright. I'm trying to open that thing, but I'll stop for a second. Alright. I think it's open. Sorry if it is. Gotta be careful. It's a little sharp as well. Gotta be careful. It's also a keychain as well. Sorry, it's kind of hard to open. Oh, there we go. Alright. It's kind of hard to open. There we go. Alright, I'm not sure if I accidentally used time lapse. Alright, here's the camera, as you can see. It's kind of small. Let's see if it works. Oh wow, it's awesome. Very cool. But it's not a real camera, unfortunately. Let's see if I could push it again. Let's do that again. Huh? Does it work? This is what the sound kind of looks like, an X-ray. Just like a real camera. You could use with Barbie dolls because they're smaller objects, or other doll brands. It's kind of awesome. I bet you could use Barbie dolls to make picture selfie showcase. Even though I don't have Barbie dolls since I'm a boy, but if you're a girl or a user girl like viewers like Anticlia the Pinkie Pie Girly, 2K11, or Sony Panda Artist uses girl mark toys like even though sorry, let me miss it. I'll try that again. If you play with cameras with some girl mark toys like Barbie, viewers who are female like Anticlia the Garcia Pinkie Pie Girly, 2K11, which is my friend from school, and Sony Panda Artist. If you want to use with Barbie dolls, it is good and perfect to make your own showcase. Sometimes you can use with Legos for any genders and ages if you like, just for imagination. But anyways, I hope you like the world's smallest camera. Let's try that one more time. Awesome. Let's try it with slow motion. Well, everybody, I hope you like my mini camera toy from World's Smallest. Alright, hope you like it. So, that's it. Alright, coming up next is the mini Barney plush. Alright, we'll put it right here.